Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix mobile data not working on Motorola Edge 70 Pro. First, scroll from the top and make sure mobile data is enabled. Then, in Settings, go to System, Reset Options, and Reset Mobile Network Settings. Reset settings and confirm you also have an option to erase eSIMs if you have any. Go into Network and Internet, Mobile Data, check which SIM card is selected and make sure it is the one you want to use. Also ensure that Data Saver is disabled. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.